3 quick tips to build solid natural muscle fast. It's the winter bulk, and with it being chilly outside, now is the time to pack on the muscle and keep yourself warm with those killer workouts. Stay tuned until the end for the star tip, which will blow your mind. First, you need proper supplements. Personally, I use an armory of Myprotein supplements to give the body the right fuel to work out most effectively. A pre-workout blend before my workout to give my body a boost. The orange and mango passion fruit is sublime. During the workout, BCAA added to water. Sipping a BCAA drink during your workout will keep you hydrated. Naturally, your muscles will tire during a workout. Protein synthesis must exceed protein breakdown to build new muscle. Amino acids and protein boost post-workout within 20 minutes of your workout to give your muscles that maximum protein injection. A good meal plan. For bulking, I suggest 6 small meals throughout the day. For breakfast, 5 to 6 eggs with a couple of yolks thrown in, and a bowl of porridge with blueberries and water. Then 5 meals prepared by you, with protein, chicken, steak, beef, carbs, noodles and rice, and veggies, nice and green. Broccoli, full of vitamin D. Have some pride in your cooking and body. Now for the star tip, which will illustrate the biggest mistake most make. For this one, let's get to the gym. Work out hard, safe, and concentrate on the negatives. One common mistake I see in the gym with most exercises is guys and girls just throwing the weights down during the workouts. Just because you've lifted it doesn't mean you've got the burn. The key is the negative movement of the rep. Squeeze at the top with your mind in the muscle. Lower it slowly until you literally can't anymore. Get a spotter to help you lift if you can't, but the key is the negative. Combine all of these together. Consistency, motivation, and the love of training. And you will see the results sooner rather than later.